My name is Chuck Wooten. We're located in Maple Hill, North Carolina. Name of the farm is Bear Ridge Farms. I actually started helping my grandfather on a tobacco farm, and I grew up doing that. From there, we got into doing some produce. People started asking about what we were doing and kind of interested in what was happening, so we grew into strawberries, that was next, and then kept going up from there, sweet corn and other different crops.
My name is Delane. I am a wife, a mom, a nanny, and everything else that holds the farm together. I love working beside my husband every day. I enjoy having our sons work with us. My grandchildren now are older and they help us. And even this is the youngest one. So I take him on school group tours, so he's learning. He stays with me 3 days a week at the farm. I really enjoy it.
Our youngest son now, he works for the fire department, but he enjoys coming here on the days off to really come and see what's going on and try to keep things going.
I'm a fourth generation farmer. My full-time job is a firefighter here in the community, and on my days off, I help my parents planting crops, picking crops, or just helping any way possible. Growing up in agriculture was a big thing because my family, that's what they've done since I was little. So they're always around, and just working with the family is a big thing because people don't have those opportunities, and it gives more time with them. When we first started growing our first year of strawberries, we had a little stand off of this main road where people would just come in, pick their strawberries, pick up pre-picked. And our whole goal is like, we got to get out on this main highway. Highway 50 is where all the beach traffic is. And the first year up the store, we just set up under the awning. And I was like, well, there's a big store inside. I think we need to expand inside. And the next year, we started leasing the inside of the store, and then luckily, it took off, and we were able, through Farm Credit at the time, to purchase the store, and now we own that. So we try to obviously grow as much as we can on our farm to sell here at our stand.
They were able to help us get to the store we got now, so we were able to go through Farm Credit and get that done. We've continued to work with Farm Credit, and they've continued to help us through the years, and we look at keeping that relationship going. When we first got started with Farm Credit, they mentioned the patronage refunds, which is kickback off our interest rates. It gives me confidence that where we're doing business at it, they are also doing good. Some of the challenges we see as employees, finding the right labor. You can't find a whole lot of help anymore like you used to. When I grew up on the farm, the community worked in the farm. It's not like that anymore. As we progress and go forward, we're looking at doing more agritourism stuff, which is going to get people more interested in what we do, and gets them out on the farm to see where the food comes from.